Tahimik. Malinis. Relaxing. World-class resort. Tara na at samahan niyo ako sa napakagandang destinasyon natin ngayong araw.
Hey mates, welcome aboard. Join me as I take you to the different travel destination. Welcome to San Carlos.
Ngayong araw, we're heading Northern Negros dahil ang ating destinasyon ay ang syudad ng San Carlos. First stop, San Carlos People's Park. For only 20 pesos na entrance fee, tiyak mag-enjoy ka na mamasyal sa park na to. Merong mga miniature ng city infrastructure and buildings, bagun or locomotive na nagtadala ng mga tubo, and on the other side of this park, merong magandang Japanese garden, o diba, lakas maka-Japan feels in San Carlos. And meron ding part sa park na to na overlooking Canyon Strait and the beautiful Sipaway Island. O diba, maganda at malinaw ang tubig na perfect ngayong summer. And this is their cafe. Tiyak mag-enjoy naman ng mga kids dito sa kanilang children's park. Tara at pasukin naman natin ang pool area ng park na to. For only 50 peso entrance fee, tiyak makukompleto ng summer mo sa napakagandang pool area nila. And their newest addition, their infinity pool. O diba, napakaganda ng infinity pool nila na parang nasa 5-star hotel and resort ka lang. And for our lunch dito sa San Carlos, dito kami kumain sa Tio Pins Inasal. Very accessible ang restaurant na to dahil nasa harap lang ng Kaisano Mall. Guys, let's eat! for our accommodation, dito kami tumuloy sa napakagandang La Vista Highlands.
Hey guys, so for our accommodation dito sa San Carlos, we stayed here in La Vista Highlands, and this is our room guys. It's an African room and room 02 guys. So dito guys merong maliit na balcony, so may table and chairs, and then overlooking the mountains of Don Salvador Benedicto and nearby places. And for our room, this is our room guys. So African inspired itong room to guys. So kita nyo naman guys ito sa beddings, parang ano siya guys, parang tiger. And dito guys merong maliit na television, and then upon check-in guys merong complimentary water. Tapos yan guys, electric fan kasi this room guys is non-air conditioned room. I think no need naman guys mag-air condition for this place kasi malamig, especially during night time. Pero ngayon guys, medyo mainit pero hindi naman ganun kainit guys. And then meron naman siyang dalawang electric fans, so okay na rin. And then for bathroom and comfort room, so ito siya guys. Yan. Merong maliit na cabinet. Tapos guys, napakaganda ng ano guys ng bathroom kasi parang wood yung ano, yung color, earth color. So merong sink, mirror, and then toilet bowl, and nandito yung shower. And then merong mga design or painting na African inspired. So that's it for my room tour guys. So mamaya guys, ituturo ko kayo doon sa resort, sa pool area nila, and doon sa restaurant, and the whole resort guys.
Dati, nadadaanan ko lang ang resort na to. And ngayon, first time kong ma-experience kung gaano kaganda ang resort na to. And sobrang amazing guys. Napakaganda talaga ng resort na to. This resort is Balinese inspired. Meron dito mga memorabilia ng Azcals dahil kapag may laro dati ang football team ng the Philippines dito sa Negros, dito sila tumutuloy sa La Vista Highlands. Pwede din dito maglaro ng billiards and table tennis. Meron din sila ditong restaurant and cafe na sobrang ganda ng view. Sobrang ganda ng view and landscape ng resort na to guys. Netiyak mapupuno ang phone memory nyo ng mga magagandang pictures. Medyo hilly ang lugar, kaya extra challenge rin ang pagkakyat baba sa kanilang mga rooms. Meron din mga extreme adventure tulad ng cable car, zipline, and horseback riding. Sa sobrang ganda ng place, halos mapuno ng phone memory namin sa sobrang dami ng magagandang pictures. O diba? Parang si Don lang. Hasyendero yarn. Sobrang perfect din ang resort na to para sa isang napakagandang garden wedding. And this is the resort's restaurant. Sobrang ganda din ng interior.
And ngayon guys, nandito kami sa Mariposa Garden Cafe para mag-ice coffee kasi it's 3 PM in the afternoon and sobrang init guys. And I think mamaya is malamig na rin dito kasi nasa taas to ng bundok. So tara guys, coffee!
And now, let's go swimming!
So guys, nakatapos na yung swimming and for our dinner guys, may sotanghon and lumpia lang guys yung in-order namin and then magbibir lang ako. Good morning San Carlos, today is our second day dito sa San Carlos and dito kami stay guys sa napakagandang La Vista Highlands. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung view, sobrang ganda.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin sa pamamasyal ko dito sa San Carlos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This is Dextination once again always saying, Bon voyage, keep safe guys, till my next vlog.